Hi students, let us continue with chapter 13, section when midpoint formula. Okay. So in our previous class we had started with exercise 13a. Today let me continue with exercise 13a. So coming to the 12th question, calculate the ratio in which the line A 6, 5, B 4 minus 3 is divided by the line y is equal to 2. If it is divided by the line y is equal to 2, then the point will be what? 0, 2. So how can we solve it? We can directly write 0, 2 equal to m1 into x2, that is 4m1 plus 6m2 by m1 plus m2. Next one you have minus 3m1 plus 5m2 by m1 plus m2. So we can take the 0 value first. 0 is equal to 4m1 plus 6m2 by m1 plus m2. So 4m1 equal to minus 6m2, m1 by m2 equal to 4 by m1 by m2, that is minus 6 by 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. Hi students, let us continue with chapter 13, section and midpoint formula. So in our previous class we had started with exercise 13a. So today let me continue with 14th question of exercise 13a. Okay, question number 14 we have, find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line joining minus 3, 0 and 6, 6. The points are minus 3, 0 and 6, 6. So what is trisection? Coming to the point of trisection, let me explain that first. Point of trisection. Let the point P and Q lie on the line segment AB. So if I take a line segment, let P and Q be the points on the line segment AB. Okay. Then and divide it into three equal parts. Okay. That is AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Then P and Q are the point of trisection. So in this case also we need to find the points of trisection, right? So if our point is, if I take this is minus 3, 0 and this is 6, 6, we need to find the point of trisection. So let it be P and Q we need to find out. Okay, that's what we are going to find out. So in order to find out that, it will be all same, so it is in the ratio like this, correct? So how shall we find out the value? In order to find out this, here you will get, if I take the first part, this will be 1 and this will be 2, right? So if I take A and B, we know that AP is to PB. If I need to take, it will be in the ratio 1:2. Let me find out. So I'll get that. How will I get for P? In order to find P only we are using this. To find P we will use this formula. So you get AP. So how can we solve it? This will be of the form, you know the points also, okay, minus 3, 0 and the ratios also you know. So I can take this as x1 y1. So let me solve it. X will be equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, right? So m1 is what? 1 into x2 is 6, 1 into 6 plus m2 is what? 2 into minus 3 by 1 plus 2, 6 minus 6 by 3 equal to 0 will be your point x. Now in order to find y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So similar way, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2, that is 6 by 3 equal to 2 you will get. So the point x0 will be what? The point P is equal to 0, 2. Similar way, now I can find out using this ratio, right? AQ and QB. So the ratio will be 2:3. So for Q, how will I find out? AQ is to QB equal to 2:1. Okay, so how will I find X in this case again? X will be ratio M1 into 2 into 6 plus 1 into what we have as X here, 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 12 minus 3 by 3 equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3 you will get, and Y is equal to 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1, that is 12 by 3 equal to 4. So the point here will be, point Q will be 3, 4. Hope it's clear, children. This is how you will find the, using the points trisection. Okay, point of trisection you can find out like this. Now the show that the line joining the points minus 5, 8 and 10, minus 4 trisected by the coordinate axis. So again you can find it using the same way you can find it out. Okay. Now let me come to the 17th question. We have A is equal to minus 4, 3 and B is equal to 8 minus 6. Find the length of AB. So length of AB, how can I find? I can use the distance formula, right? Length of AB equal to what? Root of, how will you find the distance formula? Minus 4 minus 8 the whole square plus 3 minus 4 minus 6, 3 plus 6 the whole square. This you will get minus 12 square plus 9 square, that is equal to 144 plus 81 equal to root of 225 equal to 15. So length of AB is 15. Now in what ratio is the line joining AB divided by x-axis? So if it's x-axis you can take x0, right? That will be equal to m1 into x2 we have, right? m1 into x2, that is I can directly take 8m2 minus 8m1 minus 4m2 by m1 plus m2, and next we have minus 6m1 plus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. So you can take it as 0 is equal to minus 6m1 plus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. So if I multiply, I get 0 is equal to minus 6m1 plus 3m2 minus 6m1 equal to 3m2. So it will become plus, right? So m1 by m2 equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. So you'll get m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 2. Hope it's clear, children. Now next question. Next let me do the 19th question. Okay, in the 19th question we have A 2 5, B minus 1 2, C 5 8 are the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle ABC. Point P and Q lie on AB and AC respectively, such that AP is to PB equal to AQ is to QC equal to 1 is to 2. Calculate the coordinates of P and Q. So how can you find out P and Q? So AP is to PB, S ratio is 1 is to 2, it's given. So let us use that formula only. So if I take A 2 5 and B minus 1 2, this will be x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so solving it, how will you get to solve it? You can directly write the points we need to find out, right? Point P you need to find. So let me write Pxy equal to m1 into x2. So 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, and m1 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 by 1 plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to minus 1 plus 4 by 3 and 2 plus 10 by 3. So what you get, 3 by 3 and 12 by 3. So you'll get 1 and 4. This will be the points. Okay, similarly let me find q. q x y, if I take q, we have a q and qc. So we need the points what, a25 as x1 y1 and c we have 5 and 8 x2 y2. Okay, so q will be equal to, qxy will be equal to, ratio is same, so m1 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. Similarly 1 into 8 plus 2 into 5 by 1 plus 2. So that is equal to 5 plus 4 by 3 and 8 plus 10 by 3. So we have 9 by 3 and 18 by 3, that is equal to 3 and 6. This will be the points q. Hope it's clear, children. So this is the way you will be solving different questions in this exercise. Now coming to the 25th question, we have given a line AB joining the points A minus 4 6 and B 8 minus 3. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis. Okay, ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. So I can take it as 0y. Point divided by y-axis, so I can take 0y. Okay, so let me take it as 0y equal to, ratio let it be m1 is to m2. So m1 x2 m1, no, 8 m1 minus 4 m2 by m1 plus m2, and you have minus 3 m1 plus 6 m2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so you have 0 is equal to 8 m1 minus 4 m2. m1 plus m2 is getting cancelled. So you will get 8 m1 equal to 4 m2. m1 by m2 equal to 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. So you get m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. That will be the ratio. Now find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So let us find y. Y will be equal to minus 3 into 1 plus 6 into 2 by 1 plus 2, that is equal to minus 3 plus 12 by 3, that is equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. So point, second sub question you will get as 0, 3. Then you have length of AB. How can you find the length of AB? Third sub question, length of AB equal to root of minus 4 minus 8 the whole square, minus 4 minus 8 the whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3, 6 plus 3 the whole square, that is equal to 12 the whole square plus 9 square, that is equal to again 144 plus 81 equal to root of 225 equal to 15. So this is how you solve. So complete this exercise in your classwork. Okay, thank you students.